Okay, so Samsung recently announced the Samsung Galaxy A12, which is the successor to last year's Samsung Galaxy A11, which I reviewed on my channel. So in this video, we seek to answer two questions. One, if you already own a Samsung Galaxy A11, do you need to upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy A12? Or if you are torn between buying any of the two, which should you buy? Coming up next.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Okay, so to begin the comparison, we are going to look at the designs of both phones. The Samsung Galaxy A11 has a hole punch camera cutout, while the Samsung Galaxy A11 has a notch. And in terms of this entire comparison, that is the only thing on the Samsung Galaxy A11 that I prefer over the Samsung Galaxy A12. At the back though, there are lots of differences. For example, instead of 3 cameras at the back of the Samsung Galaxy A11, we have 4 on the back of the Samsung Galaxy A12, where there's been an added macro camera, 2 megapixel macro camera. Not like it's going to make a lot of a difference, but I have 4 camera lenses, so 4 options. And apart from that, the fingerprint sensor, which was on the Samsung Galaxy A11, was at the back of the device, but now it has been moved to the side like most Android devices, so it's embedded within the power button. Okay, so next let's look at the displays of both phones. Both phones come with an HD plus display, so basically 720p, and the panels are almost the same, with the Samsung Galaxy A12 being like just a 0.1 inches larger than that of the Samsung Galaxy A11. So there isn't much to say about the display. I prefer the design of the Samsung Galaxy A11 because the hole punch camera cutout makes it look more modern, whilst that of the Samsung Galaxy A12 looks a bit obsolete. Like it looks like technology of 3 or 4 years ago. Where you're going to see a major difference between the two is when it comes to storage and RAM options. With the Samsung Galaxy A11, you could get just 3 gigs of RAM or 2 gigs of RAM with 32 gigs of storage. There was no 64, 128. But with the Samsung Galaxy A12, you get 3 gigs, you get 4 gigs, or you get 6 gigs of RAM with either 32 gigs, 64 gigs, or 128 gigs of storage, respectively. So if you buy the 3 gig option, you get 32 gig storage. If you buy the 4 gig, you get 64. You understand? Okay, so when it comes to the cameras, the main camera of the Samsung Galaxy A11 has been bumped up from a 30 megapixel camera to a 48 megapixel camera. So we are guaranteed, or we expect, better picture and video quality, at least on paper. So remember the intro I did last year for my Samsung Galaxy A11. Okay, so this is what the front camera video, the selfie camera of the Samsung Galaxy A11 looks like in a very darkly lit room. Now, as you can see that the picture quality is not too good, but then as you gradually get into like a good source of light, it looks okay. It looks okay. It's not like the best, in terms of image quality and all that, video quality and all that. But hey, if you are purchasing this phone, you should know that you are purchasing this phone not because of the camera quality or the audio quality, but you are purchasing this phone primarily because 1, it's cheap, 2, it has a good display, 3, has good battery, and a fast charging adapter. I doubt I'll be making the same intro for the Samsung Galaxy A12 because we expect improved camera quality. There's also been an improvement in battery capacity. The Samsung Galaxy A11 had a 4000 milliamperes battery, while the Samsung Galaxy A12 is coming with a 5000 milliamperes battery capacity. That's a 20% increase in battery capacity for the math nets. Yeah, my math was pretty good in school. There's also a slight bump in processor performance, but then we would need like the phones to be able to compare and see like a speed test. Does it really translate in real life? Is it way better than the Samsung Galaxy A11? We'll need to test all those when we get the devices. So if you are new to my channel, I recommend that you hit the subscribe and turn on all notifications so you do not miss the full review when we get the Samsung Galaxy A12. Okay, so to answer the question we asked at the beginning, should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A12 if you already have the Samsung Galaxy A11? What I would recommend is if there's like a trade-in program in your country where you can send a Samsung Galaxy A11 and get a Samsung Galaxy A12 and just add some small amounts of money, then you should do it because you have more storage options and more RAM options and an improved camera overall. But if you are torn between buying the Samsung Galaxy A11 and the Samsung Galaxy A12, that's a different decision altogether. So you need to decide which design do you like, or which camera option do you like, or which storage options do you like. But overall, it looks like the Samsung Galaxy A12 is a slightly better improvement over that of the Samsung Galaxy A11. But I would say top up just a little and get something like the Samsung Galaxy A32 or get the Samsung Galaxy A52, and all those I'm going to be reviewing on my channel. So if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe, turn on all notifications. Now let me know in the comments which of these two phones is better value for money. Also, let me know if the Samsung Galaxy A12 is a really good upgrade over that of the Samsung Galaxy A11 in the comments below, and press the like button to support my channel. Thanks, bye.